Once upon a time, nestled in the serene countryside, was a quaint little house. It was not grand or ostentatious, but rather a modest, endearing structure made with care and love. Built with patience and attention to detail, this little house was surrounded by vast expanses of green meadows, colorful flower fields, and tall, swaying trees. Birds chirped melodiously as they fluttered around, and butterflies danced in the sunlight, adding to the tranquil charm of the setting. A small creek meandered nearby, its gentle babbling sounds creating a soothing symphony that lulled the house and its surroundings into peaceful harmony. The little house was painted a warm shade of pink, and its windows sparkled like eyes filled with curiosity and wonder. It had a sturdy roof that provided shelter through the changing seasons, from the blooming freshness of spring to the golden hues of autumn, from the cooling breezes of summer to the soft blanket of snow in winter. The house stood tall and proud, a cherished witness to the simple beauty and rhythm of life in the countryside. The family that lived in the little house cherished their abode and the environment around it. They tended to a small garden where vegetables grew in neat rows and flowers blossomed in a riot of colors. In the evenings, they sat on the porch, enjoying the breathtaking view of the sun setting behind the rolling hills. The little house, with its cozy rooms and inviting facade, was an integral part of their lives, sheltering them with warmth and comfort. It was a beacon of stability and contentment amidst the pure, untarnished splendor of nature. The little house enjoyed an unhurried existence, relishing in the simplicity and charm of its surroundings. It seemed that nothing could disturb the peaceful equilibrium it had always known, where every day was a delightful tapestry woven with the threads of nature's serene beauty. But as time would tell, change was on the horizon, bringing with it a wave of challenges and transformations that would test the resilience and spirit of the humble little house.